Tokyo X, here we go, here we go. It'll be on June 17th at 18 at the Energy Center. So there's gonna be a whole bunch of things happening. It's gonna be about 20,000 people. We might be super busy, selling shirts the whole time. But hopefully we'll have some time to just go around and check out all the things that are happening. Let's make t-shirts.
Look at this dude.
Shut up, Papa.
Come on, man.
Jay, too, when I do that, so I always do that.
Okay.
I'm sorry to repeat that. You want to go buy food plate? No, we'll just set this up.
Are you gonna fly?
9:30 at night. We're pretty much done setting up. That's our booth for tomorrow. We just need the shirts, and then we're good to go. It is 7:40 in the morning. Tokyo X day one. Let's go. It's about, what time is it? 10:54. We got our first sale. 2 shirts. Mama, jump, jump. Yay. Yeah. Woo. Got the money. Money. This is from the bank. It's change, not sales. Hasn't even actually fully started yet. And already I'm on dad duty, walking around with this girl right here. Oh, this one right here? Yeah. Whew. I'm gonna be broke in a little bit.
I wanna buy it.
I want to buy
Because it's original.
because it's original. Lord help me. What? Look at this. Hey guys, we got Modern Otaku right here, our friends. Modern Otaku, fun stuff. Look, check out their designs here though. Like, oh my gosh. See that? See, that's how we should be doing it. Look at this. Crowd's coming in again. Just an update, it's 3 p.m. right now. 3 hours in. I did the dad thing. It's only been 3 hours and I mean, it's super fun. Right now, it's not as busy as it was earlier. We're gonna get back to work. People coming in again. It is now 5 o'clock and there's still a whole bunch of people coming in to where they're at. Let's see. Let me show you the ticket line. And apparently that line right there is for people that already have tickets. And this part right here, this side, is where people go that don't have tickets yet. All the way to the end there. Here, my bros, right here. Bun, the Baytown billionaire, and Tuping, the Florida billionaire. Are you California? Huh? Are you California? Florida, right? The Florida billionaire. Just got a message from Raven. I was talking to my friends, and I got a message from Raven. He said I gotta buy some shirts, so I'm gonna buy 1 box of each shirt, so 72 shirts per size, and we're gonna get them from Aviva. Hopefully Aviva's open still. It's about 5 p.m.-ish. Let's go. Ooh, we are here at Aviva, just like the old days. Oh man, I remember when we were just starting out and we would be going here. It was a small Aviva store that was like a couple of miles down that way. But yeah, we would go over here and get shirts and do all that good stuff. Now I'm here again because we freaking ran out, or we're running out shirts in Tokyo X. So we're gonna get a few more shirts. All right, here we go. Perfect, thank you guys. Okay. I think we need more maroon shirts, so I'm coming back in to get some more of them. Viva Wholesale. Woo-wee. Back to the convention. Okay, how are we doing so far? Good. Look at your hair. Look at my hair. Oh, the price we pay. I look awesome. Hey.
I don't know, man.
Hi.
Everyone's busy, I'm just bugging them. As always, I'm just bugging them while they're being busy, working. Day one is done. Packing up. It's about 10 p.m. Everyone's leaving. I'm tired. Everyone's tired. My feet hurts, but I think we did okay today. So I'm pretty happy still. When we get home, what are we gonna be doing?
Rest.
Huh? Rest. Because tomorrow, big day. What do you need to do before we go here?
Good thing.
We still have to print transfers because we're running out. How many designs do we have to print tomorrow?
I think 5 designs.
Yeah, about 5 designs are dominating. So we're gonna be printing those, a lot of those. Tomorrow's probably gonna be crazy as well. But man, what an experience. What a first time experience in a real convention. I'm not gonna keep you for longer. The only one that has a lot of energy tonight.
No.
No, you're tired too? All right, so yep, we're heading out. All right, day 2, here we go. What did we miss?
A lot of people.
A lot of people? I am just walking around trying to find some post-it notes, some anime post-it, whatever, because we are running out. Woo! I love it. People just be vibing and all that stuff, and it's just, man, everyone's having fun. Crazy. I love it. Fun times, fun times. Hey, man. Just dropping by. I'm trying to look for post-its. What? Yeah, we ran out of post-its for the drawing thingy that Raven asked. So
You need
yeah, just post-it notes. Hey, you got some? Oh yeah, the board? Yes, thank you. It's running out. I was gonna go and get some from somewhere, but if you got extras, I will pay you for these. Thank you. Appreciate it. Woo. Small. Modern Otaku saves the day. Thank you guys. I found some Modern Otaku. There you go. How we doing?
Good. Busy.
Have you gone to the car show? Yeah. Look here. You should go. Quick update. It's 3:56 in the afternoon, second day. My feet hurt. We got a little bit of downtime. It's been going great. I got a chance to move around, as you saw. We didn't get like flooded with a lot of people, which is a good thing, but there's been like a constant people coming in, people going out. So it's been pretty great. All right, it is now 6 p.m. People are leaving. It's the end of the convention. Man, that was a crazy 2 days. Raven.
6:45. Yeah.
What time do we have to be out?
6:45.
6:45 and it's 6?
Yeah.
Okay. How was it?
It was fun. A lot of new experience, but I think we'll be better next time.
Yeah. So we're gonna pack up right now and we're gonna go home. We're gonna talk about numbers at the end of this video, so keep on watching. Breakdown is almost done. Bringing everything to the truck and the car. Man, I'm tired. All right, let's go. Let's talk numbers. So we were in this convention for 2 days. The gross revenue, the total amount of money that we made is
$7,489.88.
sweet. Well, first of all, how many shirts did we sell?
Online, we didn't track the one for cash.
Yeah, we were trying to track it, but it just got a little bit messy. It got a little
Yeah.
crazy, so we kind of lost track of that.
So for the online shirts is $3,802.
And for the Lego online purchases,
We sold 105 for 413
Total.
Total.
the cash that we had on hand, how much?
$2,149 cash.
We had all that, and if you add all that up, it's 6,365.71. Is that right? Seems like a lot. And after all of the expenses, which include exhibitor passes, The transaction fees, the cost of the venue for 2 days, venue add-ons are what again?
Electricity and Wi-Fi.
Electricity and Wi-Fi, and then parking for 2 cars for 2 days. Food, which we had dinner last night afterwards, and staff salary for the daughter. It doesn't include our salary. We're gonna take that from here. But staff salary is $200. And transfers was about $650. And the total profit there is zoom it in. Dun, dun, dun,
This was
dun.
$3,518.90.
Nice.
So now we did buy like 15 boxes of shirts for a total cost of about 4,400, and we wanted to be over prepared because we knew we weren't going to sell all 15 boxes, but we wanted to make sure that we had enough for the 2 events, and we were us, we over prepare for everything. So we still have about 10-11 boxes that haven't been opened yet, and that's okay because the next time we go to a convention, we already have the blanks that we need, and so we're going to be spending on transfers and salary and all that stuff. But in terms of the t-shirts, we don't have to buy them anymore. So apart from the convention fees that we're going to incur, I think it's going to be a profit, right? So it's okay that we have that. The only thing there is, your money gets stuck in here, which is pretty much the same. If even like in DTF, our money gets stuck in the inks and the films and buying new equipment and all that stuff, but the business is growing. It's going to be the same thing here. So I think we did great. What do you think?
We did good. Yeah. I thought we were gonna make less than half of that, like 2.5K.
2.5K for 2 days?
Yeah, for 2 days.
Dang.
So I expected that. We ended up doing 5,000 more than I had in mind. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's a lot of experience. I think the next one's gonna be a lot more prepared because we only had 6 days of preparation.
Yeah.
I feel like the next one we're gonna be a lot better and a lot more professional.
Oh yeah, and we got a lot of insights too on how to set up. We talked to a lot of the other vendors, which were super helpful, and they gave us tips and all that. Aside from being like super fun, this is a great avenue for generating additional income. If you don't have like the finances, if you don't have the funds to go to a big convention yet, start with the small ones. If you look back in our YouTube videos from, what was it, October, the first one that we did was actually a small Filipino one that we just tried out, and things just got busy and we haven't really looked into doing it again, but this one really definitely kind of hyped me up.
A lot of people recognized us.
You.
Somebody recognized you too.
Yeah, I had one person recognize me, so that was pretty cool. But a lot of people were coming over, recognizing you from social media, from TikTok. So that was pretty awesome too. So yeah, that's our whole experience. Anything you want to add, Raven?
Yeah, just keep trying new things.
Yeah, just keep trying.
This is our new thing, and we're gonna try to keep doing it for the next year and see where it goes from there.
For sure. Karasu has been up and running since 2020, right? So about 2.5 years, 3 years, and we're constantly evolving, constantly adding new things that we can generate revenue from. None of them has been as much fun as this, I'll tell you that, because this is amazing. So if you have any comments, if you have any questions, if you've done these conventions before and you made less than we did or you made more than we did, because I know that other people are doing like 20, 30K in these conventions. Let us know in the comment section below, and hopefully some other, subscribers are gonna see that and get pumped. Hopefully, we're gonna reach some other people that are subscribers or just new to our videos, and they see the kind of revenues that you're getting and be inspired to, make this their next goal as well. All right, until next time, this is Merch Studio. We're out. Let's make t-shirts.